Whoa! Welcome back, everyone!
Yeah. Whoa!
Whoa!
Today we're gonna go to Big Bear to meet friends.
Nice. So we're actually heading over to Big Bear. It's kind of spontaneous almost.
It's totally spontaneous, spur of the moment trip.
It's a very spur of the moment trip, like Crunch Mom was saying. You know, we found out a couple of our friends from up north are gonna be heading down because they have family out here, but they're gonna be going up to Big Bear. And I mean, that's kind of one of the perks of living around here in Southern California. It's not that far, it's like a 2-hour drive. So we actually decided, we found out where they're gonna stay. They have no idea that we're coming up there right now.
50-50 chances it's gonna be because we might actually not be able to meet up because we don't know if they're gonna be at the cabin the whole time, or I don't know, we'll see.
So we're literally just we're gonna drive up there. We found out exactly where their cabin's gonna be. We're gonna drive up there, surprise them. If we see them, we see them. If we don't,
we're just gonna enjoy a whole day up at Big Bear.
Just do it as a little trip up to Big Bear.
What are you excited to see?
Lulu Poo Poo.
Lulu Poo Poo? We've talked about Lulu Poo Poo before, or the boys did in the Crunch Bros video, but she's their doggy, and we just love her. I hope we get to see them. Okay.
We shall see you later.
We'll see you guys later.
See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
We made it. Jordan just took a nap. How was your nap?
Good.
Was it good? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're just having some tropical trail mix. So, we're actually just talking a little quiet because Crunch Baby's still sleeping. We're just hanging out in the back of the car. This is our view. So we're gonna chill for a little bit, have a little snack, let Crunch Baby sleep. She just fell asleep while getting up here. She was like a trooper. She stayed up the whole time while we were driving up here. Even Jordan fell asleep before she did it.
I like these ones.
Yeah, you do. And you're picking out all of them. So we're gonna hang out here. We're gonna munch on some snacks. Then we'll go surprise our friends. We still don't know how we're gonna do it. You can go knock on the door and surprise them.
Yay!
And then they could open the door and be like, oh, who's this little boy? He looks like Jungkook. Why is BTS in front of our door? Oh yeah, you know what? I'm gonna show you guys this. So we always, no matter where we go, or no matter what we do, we always bring a bag full of snacks. But yeah, look at all these snacks. Ooh, these look good. We're gonna go surprise our friends, and then we'll probably go get some lunch afterwards. What should we eat for lunch? What do you feel like?
I don't know.
You don't know? What about squirrel? Like a barbecue squirrel?
How about lunch with pizza?
We'll see you guys in a little bit. We're like a minute away. We're gonna call them over the phone and try and give them an excuse to go outside somehow, and then surprise them that we're outside. I don't know. I don't know. This is their place right here. Guys gonna just.
We're not outside. They're not allowed to go outside.
Huh?
Maybe we should just walk up to them.
We could just walk up to them.
Yeah.
We gotta be quiet. We're being sneaky. We're being sneaky. Come with me. You should come this way and come this way, and then just FaceTime them right now.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
How is everything going?
Good. Hi, Kaya.
Hi. Hi.
Apple.
So,
Where are you guys?
well, we went for a walk and we got kind of lost.
Uh-oh.
And I don't know, like, is this kind of familiar to you? Hi.
Look who it is.
Oh my god.
Oh, look who it is. Oh, look who it is. It's Lulu the poo-poo. Oh, Lulu the poo-poo. Go, Lulu. Go, Lulu.
Jordan, come say hi. Lulu. Oh.
So the surprise was a success.
She cried.
She cried. If you're watching this, you cried.
Cry baby.
She's a crybaby. Oh my goodness. Who else was there? Lulu the poo-poo.
Lulu the poo-poo.
All right, so we're gonna go pick up some food and then we're gonna go eat it on the lake. Let's go check out this place. It's called the Village Pizza. All right, so we just ordered some pizza. Jordan, you did say you wanted pizza, huh?
Beep.
So what kind of pizza did we order? Do you remember?
Did you even hear?
Did you hear what kind of pizza we got? Hawaiian style.
Hawaiian style.
Oh, so we got, I think that's Jordan's favorite. Is it Jordan's favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, whoa. I think that's Mommy's favorite too.
It is. Canadian bacon and pineapple.
Canadian bacon and pineapple. But we're gonna head over to the lake. The lake's actually right over here. And hopefully we can go back to the spot that we went to when we were up here last year.
In the winter?
Yeah, when we were here for the winter, hopefully we can go back to that exact same spot. You know what? The air is like fresh up here too. I like it out here.
Could you live out here?
I could live up here.
What would you do? My only thing would be
Be a
groceries.
woodsman.
Be a woodsman?
Be like a lumberjack.
Okay.
I'll wear flannel. All right, guys, so this is the view. It's pretty nice. So this is our little setup. We always have our little play mat, our shade thing. That's what we do. All right, check it out. So we got pasta. Half ravioli, half spaghetti pasta here. And then it comes with garlic bread. And then there's a pizza. Let's get the pizza out and check it out. Look at this pizza, guys. Whoa, check that out. Nice. Okay, here. Ooh, that's still hot. Here you go, mister. Here, I'll put it on this side. Okay, here. You want some of this? Oh, itadakimasu. You guys like pineapple pizza? Or Hawaiian style pizza? It's one of our favorites.
I don't think locals like it when we call it Hawaiian style.
Is that true? Do people not like it when we call it Hawaiian style pizza? I've always known it as Hawaiian style pizza.
But I think a lot of places now, if you look at it, I don't think they call it Hawaiian. It's just like toppings of Canadian and bacon and
Really?
pineapple.
That's a good crust.
This is
I
good
like the
pizza.
crust. Oh yeah. Surprisingly good for like the hole in the wall pizza place. Let me try some of that pasta. It's good though. Sit down, please. Oh, you don't give duckies kisses right now. They can bite you and rock. So it's hiding like right there. There it is. Look at. Look at. What are they doing? Pasta. What do we say? Crunch Mom said 3 or 4. I said a 6. Jordan said a 6. So it's a 5. For the pizza,
We killed it.
we killed it. I would give that a 7. Crunch Mom said a 7.5, 8. What about Jordan?
10.
A 10? Whoa. You're looking at a good solid 8. So that's an 8. That's pretty good.
Pizza?
So overall, I guess go try it out, guys. If you guys are up in Big Bear,
Village Pizza.
try out Village Pizza and get their pizza, not their pasta. We're gonna hang out a little bit, maybe run around or do something, take some pictures, take some family photos, and we'll catch up to you guys in a little bit. He always ends up finding sticks, like wherever we go. He's always playing with sticks. He's so funny.
Oh, you got 2 sticks?
Nice sticks. Where'd you find them?
Look at my stick. It could break this. Construction, look at Daddy.
Let me see. Whoa. thank you. What does the duck say? That's what the duck says? What does the duck say? Whoa, I've never heard him say that before. One more time. Oh, that's what the duck says? You're so silly. What does the other duck say? Whoa! Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, we'll see you next time. So we're all done, we're all packed up now. It's actually pretty hot out here. It's like 80 degrees.
Yeah.
We're actually gonna go back to our friend's place. We're gonna go visit them before we head back down because we haven't seen them in a while. So we're gonna go say bye to them and then we're gonna head back home. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh, you know what? I did find when I was going through my parents this old Pentax camera. I remember when my dad was, well, I remember when I was younger, he would use this to take pictures, and I found some extra film too. I don't think, the film says that it expired in 2005, so I don't think it's gonna work, but I'm gonna take some pictures and let's see how they turn out. I haven't used film photography in forever. It's on, it's open. First couple, I don't think it's gonna really do much, but we'll see. All right, took some photos. It's definitely not like a camera phone where you can just take a billion shots. You gotta really pick and choose what you want. All right, we're heading out.